Assalamualaikum students. I hope you all will be fine. Today we are going to start the reading of Science Class 1. Unit number 3, Animals. Animals are living things. They eat, drink and grow. There are many kinds of animals. Wild animals. Wild animals live in forests. Most of them are dangerous. The tiger is the fastest animal on the land. The giraffe is the tallest animal on the land. We can see some wild animals in the zoo. Fox, bear, crocodile, giraffe, tiger. Domestic animals. The useful animals which we keep are called domestic animals. We tame these animals. Here are some domestic animals. Dog. A dog looks after our house. Cow. We get milk and meat from the cow. Oxen. Oxen are used for plowing fields. Camel. The camel can pull the cart. Horse. The horse can also pull the cart. Sea animals. The animals which live in sea are called sea animals. Fish live in water. A tortoise and a crab can live in the water or near the water. Crab, turtle, fish, whale. The whale is the biggest sea animal. Reptiles. The animals which have dry, scaly skin without hair and lay eggs are called reptiles. The crocodile is the largest reptile. The tortoise and the lizard have very short legs. Snakes have no legs. Snake, lizard, tortoise, crocodile. Birds. Birds have 2 legs and 2 wings. Their body is covered with feathers. Birds speak with their beaks. Birds peck with their beaks. They perch with the help of their claws. Here are some birds. Eagle. An eagle flies with its wings. Duck. A duck swims with its webbed feet. Sparrow. A sparrow perches with the help of its claws. Woodpecker. A woodpecker pecks with its beak. Feathers join together to form the wings. All birds lay eggs. The parent birds incubate the eggs and the young are hatched. Insects. Insects are small animals. Some insects live on the ground, others live on plants. Every insect has 6 legs. Many insects have wings to fly. Some insects have sharp stings. Here are some insects: ant, fly, ladybird, butterfly, grasshopper. The body of an insect has 3 parts: the head, the thorax and the abdomen. Head, thorax, abdomen. Exercise. Fill in the circle of the correct option. We drink milk of a horse, lion, cow. Cow. Which animal eats grass? Goat. Feathers are present in the body of birds. Look at the pictures and answer the following question. Which animal is the tallest? Giraffe is the tallest animal. Which animal is the heaviest? Elephant is the heaviest animal. Which animal is the fastest? Cheetah is the fastest animal. Which animal is the slowest? Tortoise is the slowest animal. Which animal gives us milk to drink? Goat gives us milk to drink. Which animal pulls the cart? Horse pulls the cart. The answer questions are also in these notes. Here are some words meaning. Elephant, hathi. Drink, peena. Grow, बढ़ना. Forest, jungle. Dangerous, खतरनाक. Dictation words. Land, eat, ground, useful, wings.